Section 2.4. The quotient rule. The quotient f divided by g of two differentiable functions f and g is itself differentiable at all value of x for which g of x is non-zero. Moreover, its derivative, according to the rule, is f prime times g minus f times g prime divided by g squared. So notice the changes that we need to make to this quotient. So let's take a look at how to apply it. So in example 1, we want to find y prime. It will equal, it's a quotient. So on the top, the first one is the derivative of the first function. Okay, so what is the derivative of ax squared? It is 16x. Okay, you multiply the function in the denominator, g of x, which is x to the fourth power plus 4. Notice the connecting sign right here is a quotient, is negative. Okay, so subtract the first function, which is 8x squared, times the derivative of the denominator, which is 4x cubed. Then what you write down in the bottom is x to the fourth power plus 4 squared. So the denominator square. And you can leave it like this. In this case, it's very easy to check how you will apply the quotient rule. Okay, second example, same thing. Y prime will equal the quotient. The first thing you do is take the derivative of the numerator. Okay, derivative of 6 minus x squared is negative 2x. So you multiply that with the denominator, 6 plus x squared. You subtract. Now the numerator, 6 minus x squared, times the derivative of the denominator, which is 2x. Okay, then you divide it by the denominator, 6 plus x squared, quantity square. Again, you make sure you take the derivative in the correct spot. For the correct function, connect them with a negative sign and square the denominator.